Hi everybody. Standard 2 subject maths subject. Subject is maths. In this maths subject today you are going to learn the chapter number 13. Lesson heading is Keeping Records. Keeping, K E E P I N G, keeping records, or E C O or D S, records, keeping records. KEEPING, keeping records, 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 keeping records. This is the lesson heading. Okay, chapter number 13. Okay, in chapter number 13, lesson heading is keeping records. Let's learn that. Okay, kids, do you like balloons, kids? Yes, many of them like this balloons, no? See, by using the balloons, we are going to calculate the number and also going to record it. Okay, are you ready to do? Yes, come on, let's count the balloons. Before we enter into that, I am going to read the question. Listen carefully. Look at the balloons brought by the students of a class on Republic Day and record the number in the given table. I read it again. Look at the balloons brought by the students of a class on Republic Day and record the number in the given table. So, Republic Day, a class brought some balloons. Class students brought some balloons for celebration. Okay, for celebration purpose, they brought some balloons to the class. See, the name of the students list is here. I read the name of the students. Ramesh, Tarun, Harjinder, Shabana, Haider and Naveen. I read it again. Ramesh, Tarun, Harjinder, Shabana, Haider and Naveen. These students have brought some balloons to the class for the celebration of Republic Day. Okay, let's count the number of balloons. Ramesh brought some balloons here now. That we count the number of balloons now. Ramesh brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, Ramesh brought 9 balloons. How many balloons? 9 balloons. So, number of balloons 9. Okay, Ramesh brought number of balloons given here now. So, there you should write the number 9. Okay, now we are going to count the Tarun's balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 balloons. Tarun brought 11 balloons. Okay. So number of balloons given here now, the column. So here 11 we should write here. Okay. Should write here 11 balloons. Then Harjinder. Harjinder, how many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we should write 5. How many balloons? Harjinder brought 5 no, so 5 balloons. Then Sabana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many balloons? 10. In this line 10 balloons. So Sabana brought 10 balloons. Okay. Then we can move to the next name. Haider. Haider. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this line 7 balloons. So I write here 7. 7 balloons. Okay. Next. Naveen brought how many balloons? Let's we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many balloons? Yes, 9 balloons. Naveen brought 9 balloons. Okay. Totally we finished, all the balloons we have counted, no? So, listen here. Ramesh brought 9 balloons. Tarun brought 11 balloons. Harjinder brought 5 balloons. Sabana brought 10 balloons. Haider brought 7 balloons. Naveen brought 9 balloons. Here, see the Ramesh and Naveen balloons. See, Ramesh brought 9 balloons. Here, Naveen brought 9 balloons. Both the numbers are same, Number of balloons 9. Here also 9. This last one, Naveen balloons, that also 9. So these two numbers are equal. These two balloons are equal. Am I right, kids? First and last one. Number of balloons 9. Okay, so these two numbers are equal. These two number of balloons are equal. Okay. Now we can move to the question. Answer the following. Given here now. Question A. Who brought the maximum number of balloons? Who brought the maximum number of balloons? Let's check it now. Which one is higher? 9, 11, 5, 10, 7 or 9? Which one? Here we already count the number of balloons and write it in this tabular column now. Yes, which one is higher? Which one is the maximum number of balloons? Yes, of course. 11 is the maximum number of balloons. So, who's that? Shall we check it now? 11, that is Tarun. Ramesh 9, Tarun 11, Harjinder 5, Sabana 10, Haider 7, Naveen 9. So, Tarun has the maximum number of balloons. See here, Tarun brought maximum number of balloons, no? 11. So, who brought the maximum number of balloons? Yes, of course, Tarun. Shall we write it here? T, A, or U, N. Tarun. Yes, Tarun brought the maximum number of balloons. Now we can move to the next question, B question. Who brought the minimum number of balloons? Minimum, it means less. Which one is less in number? Yes, which one is the less? Here, 5 is less in number, no? Compared to other numbers. So, see, who's that? Yes, Harjinder. Harjinder brought less number of balloons, just 5 only. Okay, so we need to write here Harjinder name. H, A, or J, I, N, D, E, or Harjinder. So, who brought the minimum number of balloons? Harjinder brought the minimum number of balloons. That is 5. Am I right? That is 5. Here Tarun's balloon 11. Okay. Next. Last question. Here. C question. This one is C. Okay. A, B, C. Who brought equal number of balloons? Who brought equal number of balloons? Who brought equal number of balloons? Yes. Here 2 9s are present. No? Number 9. Here also number 9. These two are same. No? So, who are all they? These two lines first and last. Yes. Ramesh and Naveen. These two persons were brought 9 balloons. Same in number. Okay. So, write here Ramesh or A M E S H Ramesh and A-N-D and Naveen Yan Ye V Ye Ye Yan Naveen. Ramesh and Naveen brought equal number of balloons. Okay? Very easy, no kids? This is called keeping records. Whenever we want to find the number through this tabular column, we can come to a conclusion. Who's brought the maximum number of balloons? Who brought less number of balloons? Like that we can easily find through this tabular column. Okay, kids? I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Thanks for listening, kids. Bye to all.